Hi, I am your new friend, Dobot Atom.
That's not just a tagline, it's the voice of a brand new kind of machine. Atom, the AI-powered humanoid robot built by one of China's leading industrial automation companies. This isn't a prototype or a distant dream. Atom is already in mass production, and its maker, Shenzhen-Dobot, isn't just joining the humanoid robot race, it's leading it with a massive head start. While startups worldwide scramble for funding and test their first models, Dobot already has robots embedded in the production lines of major global manufacturers. And now, they're bringing their expertise in precision robotics to humanoids, with Atom. The story of Dobot started back in July 2015, when Jerry Liu and Lang Sulin founded the company in Shenzhen. Their first product? A lightweight robotic arm called the Dobot, launched via Kickstarter. What started as a humble crowdfunding goal of just $36,000 exploded into a success that raised over $600,000. That early momentum caught investors' attention fast. By April 2016, the company secured $3 million to develop even more advanced robotics. The original Dobot was a 4-axis robot arm, weighing only about 3 kilograms. It was made of aluminum and ABS plastic, offering a strong yet lightweight structure. It could perform tasks with 2 millimeters precision, remarkable for a desktop robot that cost less than $1,000. At a time when similar machines sold for over $10,000, Dobot filled a unique niche between cheap DIY kits and expensive industrial-grade arms from global brands like ABB, KUKA, Fanuc, and Epson. One of its standout features was its flexibility. It supported grippers, 3D printing heads, lasers, all interchangeable right out of the box. Compact and easy to set up, it became popular in schools, makerspaces, and small labs. But the company wasn't just about making affordable robots. They were laying the groundwork for serious innovation. After the original arm, they launched a small multifunctional robot called Moose. It could 3D print, laser engrave, and carve, all for under $700. Dobot's mission was expanding, from hobbyists to professional use. By 2019, Dobot was launching the CR series, collaborative robots built for real factory work. These robots were priced 20 to 40% cheaper than established brands, ranging from $15,000 to $35,000. The affordability and ease of use made them especially attractive to first-time automation buyers. And the numbers don't lie. Dobot became China's top industrial robot exporter in 2021 and now holds 13% of the global collaborative robot market, second only to Denmark's Universal Robots. Their success also paved the way for other Chinese robotics ventures, like Jaco Robotics, AO Robotics, and Elite Robot. One standout story is David Rieger, founder of Hans Robot, who relocated to Germany and rebranded his company as Neurobotics. Then came the milestone, December 2024. Dobot became the first Chinese collaborative robot company to go public. Listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, it raised $87 million. By that time, Dobot had deployed over 72,000 robots in more than 80 countries, with offices and subsidiaries across Japan, Germany, the US, and beyond. And then came Atom, the culmination of years of research and innovation. In March 2025, Dobot unveiled its first humanoid robot, Atom. It's a full-sized bipedal machine designed for both industrial work and customer-facing services. Standing 1.5 meters tall and weighing 62 kilograms, Atom walks with straight knees, a design that Dobot says reduces energy consumption by 42% and mimics a more natural gait. But what really sets Atom apart is its precision. Its hands have 5 fingers with 12 degrees of freedom each. The robot itself has 41 degrees of freedom, enabling incredibly smooth and flexible motion. In one demo, Atom gently lifted a cherry by its stem without crushing it. That level of fine motor control is rare, even among the most advanced humanoids. Inside, Atom is powered by Dobot's proprietary AI system, Model 1. With 100 million parameters, it allows Atom to understand its environment and respond in real time. It uses onboard edge computing that delivers up to 1,500 TOPS, trillions of operations per second. This lets Atom process sensory data instantly and execute complex high-frequency movements without delay. Even more impressive, multiple Atom robots can work together, communicating through an integrated system. Dobot claims this edge computing setup is 7 times more powerful than typical systems used in comparable machines. And then there's the pricing. Atom is launching at around $27,000, much cheaper than competitors like Unitree's H1, which starts at $90,000. Tesla's Optimus is expected to cost roughly the same as Atom, But Dobot has already hit the market first, with functioning units in production. Dobot's manufacturing advantage comes from one key fact. They control their own supply chain. Motors, sensors, precision components. Dobot either makes them or sources them locally. That gives them a speed and cost advantage few competitors can match. Atom Max is Dobot's flagship humanoid, but they're also launching other models. Atom Trainer, a more basic version, has 29 degrees of freedom and optional grippers. There's even a version specifically built for data collection, equipped with a dual-arm upper body mounted on a base. When pre-orders for Atom opened in March 2025, Dobot's Hong Kong-listed shares jumped nearly 28%. This wasn't hype, it was validation. Atom is already being piloted at major Chinese automotive and electronics factories, and even in places like coffee shops. That's how versatile the robot is. Dobot isn't stopping here. The company has plans to expand internationally through 2029, building 3 or more new foreign subsidiaries and setting up regional marketing and support operations. As of its IPO, about 60% of Dobot's revenue was already coming from outside China. It's all happening in Shenzhen, a city fast becoming the global capital of robotics. Home to over 1,000 robotics-related companies, Shenzhen is backed by a government that's investing heavily in the humanoid sector. The goal? To build a $14 billion industry by 2027. Dobot's Atom isn't just another robot. It's a symbol of what's coming, a future where humanoids are not only real, but affordable, scalable, and ready to work side by side with humans. And if that future arrives sooner than expected, there's a good chance it will have started here, with Atom. From a Kickstarter robotic arm to full-scale humanoids deployed in factories and cafes, Dobot has come a long way, and they're just getting started.